Yo, what's up guys, this is your boy Maheer is here. Welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to join to my Discord server. Many of you have just commented on the previous video that bro, we can't join to the Discord server, or if you join then somebody kicked us out, and there is the one reason that you do not have do the roles, so for that bot may kick you out. So today I will show you how to join perfectly. So make it simple, don't make it so hard, then it will be hard. Okay, so first of all, go to your YouTube. On YouTube you have to just search, click on the search bar. So for that, just click on the search bar, then search my channel's name, just click on that, or you can just click on your own video. I will just go to the videos, click on any video, then not ready to play, just pause it, and then just go to the description. You will find a link that is called join our Discord server. Okay, just go on that. It will take you to your browser. Surround your browser. Now watch here carefully. On your browser, then just you have to click, wait for the loading. Just click on that link, copy the URL. So after that you have to just install the Discord from your Play Store, then go to the Discord. Here's the Discord. So very easy. It may be some net issue. If it is slow, I have some net issue. So for that, now you have to just click on the three lines. If you're chatting with anyone, then just click on the three lines, then just click on this plus button. You can see here the plus button, just click on that. Then there are many options. Then you have to just click on here, join a friend on Discord. Just click on that. Easy. Then paste the link that we have just copied, then just click on join, then just accept invite, and now you will see a pop-up right here. Watch here carefully, because many of you don't do the requirements and you were maybe kicked by the bot, but watch it carefully to do the rules. Welcome to maheeramir server. The server is owned by the YouTube channel of named maheeramir. So now the top things to do here, it is said top things to do here. Go to the welcome, hashtag welcome. You will find three notice. You have to must follow the first two notice. Number three notice is optional. This is optional, but these two is must. So hey, are you new? If yes, then click on get access to the server on this button, and then do the requirements to get access and send the message in the server. You may don't do that requirements, and so for that you may not be able to send message and you will be kicked out by the bot. And the second one is rules. If you don't follow the rules, you will be also kicked out by the bot. If you don't follow these rules, you can check the rules just by click on this rules button. We will do it later. And the next one is your favorite rules. I have given some favorite rules in our channel that is called get your rules. You can get your favorite rules from there. So there are three people who subscribed my channel, that are football lover, then tech lover, and pace lover. So I have three kind of subscribers. So the three kind of subscribers have always be three kind of demands. So I have all of that. So then first go to the get access server. It will take you here. If you already have clicked the emojis, then just unclick it, and it will find that you have to click all the emojis. So you have to must click on the first emoji, because it is for all of you, and last three is your wish. If you are a pace lover on my channel, then just click on the second emoji. It says that if you are a pace lover. Okay, now you are a pace lover and you are a football lover also in my channel, then just click on the second emoji. And if you are just only tech lover, then just unclick it and just click on this button and this first buttons. That's it. But I will click here all the buttons. Okay, that's it. So now you have to just go to the, now you can see, you can now chat in all the channels. If on the first channel you will find YouTube videos. If I upload any video, the bot will be upload that video. You can just get the video from here. After that you will find live football match links. I provide here the live football match links that you can watch. Only the famous live football match will be here, and net issue can also appear. And if I don't give the links on here, then you'll find another channel that calls live football scores. Sorry, So here a bot will give you the footballs, all club, the famous clubs and national teams, all home and away scores A to Z. That means 90-minute full match they will give. I have just do all the requirements. It will just give today, and today there is a match, I think France versus Wales. I think I won't be able to give the link, but this bot will give you the score. So after that, get access server. This is we have done. So after that, you will find this, get your roles. So just click on that, and here you will find a lot of, I have already clicked a lot of emojis here. I will just unclick that. Okay, there's some, if you have already clicked them, then it might be show some pop-up that limited time. I am just unclicking them because I want to show you live that what can appear here. So okay, it's undone. So I'm doing, there's a, you are being rate limited, yeah, because I have already joined, already do this requirements before with this account, but you all of you didn't understand what is that. So now you can see, you can just swap here and you can see your roles. There are, your roles are just that 4 that we have clicked on that get access server, but now we will add more roles, and this is only your wish. So if you're a Barcelona fan, click on the Barcelona emoji. Real Madrid fan, Real Madrid emoji. Man City fan, Man City emoji. PSG fan, PSG emoji. Manchester United fan, Manchester United emoji. And then all the that your favorite clubs you like, just click on those emojis. Okay, so this, and there is also players review. You can say Messi, has Ronaldo, has Neymar, Maradona, Pele, and has Ronaldinho, Beckham. You will find Kevin De Bruyne, Mbappe, Haaland, Pogba, Salah. Okay, so Harry Kane, Riyad Mahrez, Kaká is also there, Ramos, Ser Puyol is here, and then you'll find, and then for Zlatan, Kaká, and then Sergio Aguero, Van Dijk, all of you here. And then there are leagues, your favorite leagues you can also choose, Premier League, Serie A, and then League 1, Bundesliga. And there is another thing, game. Which type of gamer are you? If you have PC, then PC, console, then console, mobile, then mobile. Okay, so now after that, fan chat. Here all of you can chat, all of you, if you're a tech lover, if you're a football lover, or if you're a PS lover, all of you can chat here. So after that, I will show you friendly match of PS. This is just for the PS lovers. The PS lovers just can only match here. If you want to play a friendly with other members of the discords, then you just click here, you just drop your own ID and he will knock you in the personal. Here's the man in the discussion. You can just discuss about any manager here, about the PS. You will find a help there in the server help, or any other helps you can find here, the server help mainly. And welcome note, you will find your welcome note, a bot will send you is the welcome note, not so cool. And then edit log, if someone have just do their rules. Look, I've already added so many rules. Look, the rules edits. So edit, then the edit log the bot will send in, and if someone leaves, it will also send a PES patch. If you want to install some patches of PES, then you can also find here, the link will also be here. And then football news, the latest football news will be uploaded here. The news only, not the scores. The scores will be uploaded over there, the news will be uploaded, and news chat. Only the football lovers can chat here, no tech lover, no PS lover. Only the football lovers can chat here. They will chat as their, so then the which will be transfers in this they can chat here with some other members. Tech, chat, and help. Only tech lover can chat here, no other. And you can also get help. PS chat, and here finally the PS lovers can chat on the on this one. It is all of you can chat. After that, you have PS updates. This week highlights updates will be also uploaded here. So that was on the mobile. So now we'll jump to the PC, that how to join Discord by PC. So now we have come in the PC. So for that, first of all, you have to go to your browser. I will just select a new browser. My favorite browser is Brave browser because it is fast and cool. So you have to go to a tab and search www.youtube, as simple. Then just click, as simple as the mobile, but there is some, you can say, interface issue. Then the PC lovers are lack to join, so the net issue is very here. So there's a video over here, but I will just click and search Maheer. Okay, is that coming? Okay, maheeramir official. So it will be came soon, but some net issue, I think. Okay, it's lighting. Wait a little bit. Okay, it's came. So now we will click on any video. Just click on a simple video of any video. The link will be always in there. So now you have to just scroll down. Okay, so now just pause the video and click on the show more. Then you will find, where is the link? You'll find the link on PC. You have to just click on the link. You don't need to just copy the link and paste it on either way. Just click on the link, join our Discord server. If you haven't logged into your Discord server, then it may ask to log in. And if you have already logged into your browser by Discord, then it will not ask to log in. It will just show you this pop-up. Then just click on accept invite. If you have downloaded Discord, then it may show you this and you have to click here, but I will not show you from there. I will just show you from browser because it's just simple. You can download it later. So that just, I am cancelling it. Just continue the Discord. So now it will open the Discord. Wait, some net issue is happening, but we hope we can cope. Okay, why is this net is so slow? Come on, funny, not funny. Okay, it's loading. Welcome is coming. Yeah, you can see I haven't get the rules, do the rules, so I can see just only this 4, but you have seen that in mobile there are a lot of channels. But if I do, and if I not do this in 3 minutes, the bot will kick me out. Okay, so I have to do it as quick as possible. Just click on that, click on the emoji. I am clicking on all the emojis over here, and look, all the has come. Now get rules, simple, very simple. Just click on the emojis, then I can just do as I wish. I'll just click on every emojis. So I'm doing it because I love these all team, because these all are favorite clubs. I mean, Barcelona is my only favorite club and Messi is my only idol, but these are famous players, they deserve. Okay, so I think from net issue the emojis are pressing on late, but you turn on the leagues, League 1, Syria, La Liga, and then Premier League. There a bot will send you a message, 2 bots. So now then PC, console. I don't have console, but I click it. So I will also receive a welcome note from here. This is as simple as mobile. Then the edit log is here. I have just joined, it will show. So now I will take you to the bot's message that bot have sent you. Okay, I just click on the fan chat. The fan chat has some problems, net issue. So first I will go to the mixes bot, what this bot has sent us. The bot has sent us a welcome note. Okay, so this is bot you send them because this account has joined to my server, and a YPTV bot have sent another 8 messages. Oh, this bot have just seen what we have do. This bot are giving our roles. Okay, so now I will show you one thing, that what can you not do. I just copy this YouTube link, and then I will type it on here on this channel, and then I will just paste it, but it will not show. It is deleted. Yeah, this deleted, and a bot says message sent by Erling. This is, don't see that name, deleted in this channel because it contains links. And a white PDB bot will also send message that you have been warned. Reason: auto moderator, you do not have permission to send links. That's it. So that was from the PC. So if you enjoyed it, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos of tech, PES and football. I also give, I give the live football matches links on my server, and also live scores also here, so you can enjoy, just chill. Okay, so that was for today. For those of us, I'm signing out, and chill, bro.